My name is Allan Baumann, and I'm a member of the Executive Committee of BUPL, and that's the Union for Early Childhood Teachers in Denmark. Yes, we've been participating in the task force that EI has established on early childhood education, where we have made research from all over the ECE situation all over the world. And it's been quite an interesting piece of work, because the differences between the different countries are very, very large, but it's also provided us with a lot of useful information on the further work on ECE. We've used them in the European sector or the regional areas in EI, first of all. In Europe, we have also established a task force on the European level, as well as Africa has established one on the African level. So they have all, both places, used the recommendations. Nationally, we used it to further our advocacy for the foundation that is necessary for developing the ECE area. So it's been a good help, and but of course there's a lot of work to do still, but it's been a very important step on the way. I think we have to be involved in a lot of areas because I think research has two purposes. One purpose is to, of course, to help us to sustain our argumentations for all the demands and all the policy making that we're doing. That's the one purpose. The other purpose is to increase our common knowledge about the professional job that we're doing. So it's also a part of the professional development that we have to do, and also has to make available for our members. I see the network as have an important role in being the coordinator of all the knowledge available in the EI, because together we have a very huge amount of knowledge, but the knowledge is more or less confined in national or regional or union areas. So the research network could play a very important role in making the different kind of knowledge available for all of us, and that, in that way contributing to developing both the national but also the regional and the worldwide policy in EI. So I think it's a very important network.